Given the points a minus 1, minus 1, b, 2, 5, c, negative 1, negative 2, and d, x, negative 4, and ab perpendicular to CD, determine the value of x. Let's draw a little sketch of what is going on. So we have the line AB perpendicular to CD. And let's put in all the values that we have so far. We have the points A minus 1, minus 1, B 2, 5, C negative 1, negative 2, and D x negative 4. We know that the gradient of AB multiplied by the gradient of CD is equal to minus 1. This is because AB is perpendicular to CD. The gradient AB, which is the change in y divided by the change in x, is going to be ax1, y1, bx2, y2. y2 minus y1 is going to be 5 minus minus 1, divided by x2 minus x1, which is 2 minus minus 1. Simplifying a minus times minus is a plus. 5 plus 1 gives me 6 in the numerator, over 2 plus 1 gives me 3 in the denominator. Therefore, the gradient of AB equals 2. We've got 2 times the gradient of CD equals negative 1. Therefore, dividing both sides by 2, I get that the gradient of CD must be minus 1 over 2. Let's work out the gradient of CD. We will have gradient of CD equals minus 2 minus minus 4 divided by negative 1 minus x. So in the numerator, we have negative 2 plus 4. Remember, a minus times a minus is a positive, which equals 2 over minus 1 minus x. We know that this is the gradient of CD. But we also know because the lines are perpendicular, the gradient of CD is minus a half. I can equate these two values because they give me the same gradient. We can cross-multiply to get rid of the denominators. Remember that x must not take on a value of minus 1. That's the restriction. Because if x is minus 1, the denominator is going to become 0. Cross-multiplying, we get 4 equals negative 1 times in brackets negative 1 minus x. Then we get 4 equals 1 plus x. Therefore, we get 4 minus 1 equals x. Therefore, x equals 3.